Y'all see that right there? Chill. Y'all see that? Oh, I don't want to give you too much. Just a little bit. I don't want to give you too much. Just a little bit. Oh. So look, this is banana. Carrot cake. Y'all see that? Just a touch of Jamaica Love V's Kitchen. You want to see the big one? Oh my gosh, look at that there. Y'all don't know what y'all missing, man. I keep trying to tell you. If your boo ain't cooking for you like this, you better get another one. I'm trying to tell you, she need to be in that kitchen. He need to be in that kitchen. Something need to be going on. Y'all got to be making love. Check out that. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look at that. Y'all see that? Oh my gosh, it's just doing something to me. Lord. It's just a touch of Jamaica Loving V's Kitchen, baby. Y'all see that?